Hey guys, welcome back to Campbell Workshop. Today we're going to make a mini Christmas tree, which is in approximately 20 centimeter height. Definitely a great project for small homes. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for weekly tutorials. If you like what we are doing, you can also join our not-so-secretive community on Patreon, link in description. First of all, cut a strip of leaf green paper in 2 centimeter height. Trim the strip into a section of 5 to 7 centimeter long. Fold the small strip into a quarter and trim the strip into tiny fringes. Give the fringes a little rub. Open the fringes up and add some UHU glue to the bottom. I've prepared a collection of 22 and 26 gauge wires. Place the wire in an angle and roll the paper strip to the wire. Make sure the paper is rolling downwards, not just on the top. We'll need to cut the 26 gauge wires in 5 to 6 centimeter long and 22 gauge wires in 10 centimeter long. After we have done individual leaf branches, we're going to wrap them together into a branch. Take the 22 gauge branch as the main stem and wrap a few rounds. Add another 2 stems to the branch. Wrap about 3 to 5 stems together as a branch. We will need about 30 to 50 branches, depends on how big your tree is. Now we're going to wrap the whole branch together. Take a 3-leaf branch and wrap another 2 leaves together for our top layer. Please be aware that you need to have shorter branches on the top as the tree grows longer and wider at the bottom. The top first 3 layers, we will only need 3 centimeter long of the green leaves on the wire. We will also need less branches and stem on the top 3 layers, and more towards the bottom. Then we slowly add another branch as a second layer. You basically add the branches gradually and control the size of your tree at the same time. Also estimate the length of the branch and bend the branches before attaching, so that all the branches will be at the same length. Then wrap the branches back to the tree. It should look like this. Now we're going to make a star for the top. Cut a strip of yellow paper along the grain, about 20 cm x 2 cm. Bend a loop and tuck the tail in the loop. And you will end up with a pentagon. Wrap the tail around the pentagon and tuck the tail into the folding with a bit of UHU glue. Pop the sides of the stars. Then we will have a star. I have to admit, it works better with normal paper, not crepe paper. Pierce a hole to the bottom of the star. Tuck the top wire of the tree into the hole. And we are done. Thank you for watching the video and I hope you will like it. If you like it, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. It will really help our channel to grow. Stay tuned for our weekly tutorials. And all our DIY kits and templates are available on our website. Check them out. See you guys next week.